bad windstorm. Newsman said breezy my ass. 60-mile-an-hour gust ripped the damn greenhouse apart. So this is what it looks like on the outside now. So I'm gonna take you on the inside real quick here. Morning, it's like May 1st or something. I just added this new fish tank right here this weekend. No fish in it yet. A little water in it though. Got it painted up. Took out that grow bed right there. I'm going to replace it with new grow beds here. The second one here is going to come out. This potting soil was crap. Created a big ammonia bomb. Stunted the growth. It was just a mess. Nasty, smelly, attracted gnats, that kind of stuff. All the herb guys are really kicking. I mean, the oregano smells like oregano, the sage, really a great smell. Even the basil. You can see the tomatoes, what's left inside. There's about 30 of them outside, so they can't fit them inside anymore. So we're trying some different things. The jalapenos came back once I changed the soil out. So everything now has been repotted. But I still need to move these out because actually this right here is where my sink goes up this counter. I can't put the sink there because I got all these damn tomatoes everywhere. So I got some dill back there. We got some cucumbers going here. We got some cayenne peppers. Look at those bad boys. Oh yeah. So we got some zucchinis back there. We're trying inside to see how they do. Nice bell peppers coming in right there. Eggplants happening. So here's your grow bed. This grow bed is now inoculated, and you can tell that the spurt in the growth. It's just insane how quickly and healthy everything grows. Really quick, really fast right now. So this is the tomato plant that just was a broken stem. It was a stem that broke off one of the plants. It got too tall. The wind snapped it, and I just stuck it in the ground. And now it's a thriving tomato plant. It's insane. So that's all still working. The original fish tank is right here. Still got 43 fish in there. They're getting to be pretty good size. Strawberries are just doing strawberry things. You can see there. They're all going. They're just producing every single day. I got fresh strawberries every day. These right here are the June bearers on this side. They're going to come in June. So I'm going to replace those. I just ordered another 40 or 50 bare roots. And I'm going to go to the everbearing. So anyway, that's updated in the greenhouse. I might walk outside here for a second.